Are your porcelain tiles looking dull no matter how much you clean? Here's the problem. Over time, grime, scratches, and everyday wear strip away their shine, leaving floors that look tired and lifeless. And the worst part? Regular mopping won't fix it. In fact, harsh cleaners can make things worse. But here's the solution. Professional porcelain tile polishing restores that factory-fresh gloss, removing surface imperfections and sealing in a radiant, durable finish. It makes your tiles easier to clean, more resistant to stains, and adds instant value to your space. Just prep the surface, polish in stages, then seal it for long-lasting protection. Want your tiles to shine like new again? Time to polish smart, not just clean harder. For professional help, call 07441 352 875 or visit londonstone.co.uk.